Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the solutions for IIT online examinations. Children, in the previous video, I am explained question number 1 to 10 IIT online test. Today I am going to explain question number 11 onwards. If you look at the 11th question, what the first problem is given? A cylindrical pencil sharp at one edge is the combination of, if take a pencil and sharp at one edge, it is combination of what? Cone and cylindrical shape. Look at the question number 12. A shuttlecock used for playing badminton has the shape of combination of, if you observe the shuttlecock, it is the combination of what, children? Frustum of cone and hemisphere. Frustum of cone and hemisphere. If we look at the 13th question, the slant height of the frustum of cone having radii of two ends as 5 cm and 2 cm respectively, and height is 4 cm is given. Children, we know the formula for slant height, square root of h square plus r minus r whole square. Substitute the given values. Finally, we will got 5 centimeters. Understood, children? So next we have the total surface area of a hemisphere spherical solid having radius 7 centimeters is. So you want to find total surface area of a hemisphere. What is the formula for total surface area? 3 pi r square. Substitute the given values. So finally we will got it 462 centimeters square. Next we have a solid formed on revolving a right angle triangle about its height is. So right circular cone is formed. All of you look at the screen, children. Are identified? Okay. So next we have the surface area of sphere is 616 centimeters square. What is its radius? So by using the formula, we will derive the radius. Are understood, children? Look at the explanation. So next we have a cylinder and a cone are of same base radius and of same height. The ratio of the volume of the cylinder to that of the cone is. So we want to find the ratio between volume of cylinder and volume of cone. So all of you look at the solution here, children. By using the formula, so volume of cylinder formula 5r square h, volume of cone formula 1 by 3 5r square h. After simplification, we got it 3 by 1 is nothing but 3:1. Okay, children? So observe the screen and note it down on your running notebook. Next, we have the volume of a sphere is 4851 centimeter cube. Its diameter is. So volume of the sphere, we know the formula 4 by 3 5r cube. Volume of the sphere formula, we know it. So by using the value, we can find first of all r cube value. So volume equal to 4851 equal to 4 by 3 5r cube. So 4 by 3 5r cube equal to 4851. So 5 value we know 22 by 7. Substitute the value. After simplification, we got it r cube equal to 21 by 2 whole square. So r is equal to 21 by 2. But actually diameter is what? 2 times of the radius. In this question, a piece of paper is in the shape of a semicircular region of radius 10 centimeters is given. It is rolled to form a right circular cone. The slant height is nothing but radius only. So hence the answer is 10 centimeters. Understood, children? Very simple question. So next, look at the problem. Here what is given? The base radii of two circular cones of the same height are in the ratio 3:5. The ratio of their volumes are, by using the formula we can find the ratio of the volumes. Here a glass is there with 2 radii and slant height. So want to find curved surface area. Formula phi L into R plus R. Substitute the values. So phi value we know 22/7 and L value 10. Then smaller and capital 3 plus 4. After simplification we got it 220 centimeters square. Look at this problem. Here two hemispherical shapes are there. If you join two hemispherical shapes, you got it a sphere. So the curved surface area of a sphere formula what? 4 pi r square. Okay children. So next we have, look at this problem. The radii of the top and bottom of a bucket of slant at 13 centimeters or 9 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively. The height of the bucket is slant height square is equal to h square plus r minus r whole square. Substitute the given values. So after simplification we got in height is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay children. So please remember volume and surface area formulas to simplify the given problems. So that's why I'm explaining so many times. Please remember the formulas and practice it. Then you can easily do this type of applications of volume and surface area problems. Next, look at the 24th question. A Surai is the combination of, Surai is nothing but a ants and a pot, a sphere and a cylindrical shape. Okay children. Next, match the following. So it is very simple. Based on the formula you can do it. Okay children.